Hello everyone, welcome back to another episode on my YouTube channel. I know it has been a while, I haven't posted for quite a bit now, but yep, I'm back now and I'm doing this video on three main concepts that one needs in order for you to trade: smart money concept, order block concept, supply and demand, whatever, how to trade like banks, whatever you name it. So today what we're going to do is we are going to look at just three basic things that you need in order for you to trade smart money concept. All right, let's dive into the concept. Now, on my screen, I have GBP USD, my favorite pair to trade, and I'm also on a daily time frame. So first thing that we have to do is look at the daily bias. We always have to look at the daily bias. Daily bias. You have to look at the daily bias. Now, when you look at the daily bias, when you're speaking of the daily bias, we're speaking of where is the market headed to? How is the market's trend? In this case, we can clearly say the market is bullish. The market is bullish. We cannot argue the market. So which means that we are more likely to be looking for buys. Mostly when we get buys, we have a high probability of getting good trades, right? So we now have our daily bias, which is bullish. Daily bias, you look at that, that's the first concept, which is a daily bias. Look at the daily bias. Is the market bullish or is it bearish? In this case, our market is bullish. Right. Now we are going to move on to our next time frame, which is 4 hours, in order for us to start doing our chart work or start messing up on our chalkboard. Okay, now since now we have our daily bias, we now have to look for another thing that comes in hand with the daily bias. We have to look at the break of market structure. There should be a break of market structure. After a daily bias, you should always look for your break of market structure. Break of market structure. Break of market structure. That's a break. Right now we are making sense. Break of market structure. Okay, so we're just going over this. First of all, our daily bias is bullish. We're in a bullish market. And then we now have to look for our break of market structure, recent break of market structure. So where are we going to get this one? We are going to get it here. Here is our break of market structure. That's our break of market structure. Now, after we have broken a market structure, then we now have to come in hand to look for a certain thing now, which you call them the main ideology of this video, which is the order block. After the break of market structure, we now have to look for an order block or an order block or a demand area that was left behind by markets by the market maker unmitigated. Now, in this case, if you have a bearish order block, in that case, it will be a supply zone. But then if it's a bullish order block, it will be a demand zone. How do I do that? These last candles, you see now here we are going to look, we have two main areas on where to focus on. We have this candlestick here, this one, this last candlestick, this last down candlestick, this red one before the move up. And again, we have this last down candlestick here before the move up. Now, these two are bullish order blocks. And then we can just mark them off. Just mark them off. These are now the areas we expect price to come into. So the areas we are expecting price to come into. Right. Then we just have to edit here, order block. Order block, okay, order block, slash supply or demand. So now you have your main three things that you just need. Just three basic things you need in order to trade smart money concept. First of all, we're going to go over this again. You're going to look for a daily bias. Daily bias on a higher time frame, which I prefer to be the daily time frame. That's the best time frame to use for a daily bias. After you get your daily bias, look for your break of market structure. That can be on a 4 hours time frame, because 4 hours and 4 hours time frame and the daily, there's really not much difference. But yes, you can also get your day your break of market structure on the daily time frame as well. But if you get it on the 4 hours, it's fine. If you get it on the daily time frame, it's also fine. So after your daily bias, you look for your break of market structure. Then now, when you get your break of market structure, with when you get your market your break of market structure, the move that broke the structure, the move that broke the swing high or the swing low, depending on what that daily bias is your market. Depending on that, the move that broke the structure, there will be an order block, or it's a bullish order block or a bearish order block, a supply demand, a supply zone, or a demand zone, which means that supply is a bearish order block, demand is a bullish order block. In this case, we have a bullish order blocks, which means that those are now our focused point of interest demand zones that we are looking at. We are looking for, and we are looking for price to come there in order for us to take the next buy or next impulse to the upside. Right now, since you have this, you have your chart marked up, you can simply go to your H1 to just see things more clearly if they are not clear, because sometimes you will never find an order block on your 4 hours time frame, or you can find it on a daily time frame, but it will be too big. And then when you move down to lower time frames, and then it starts fading away. But in this case, you can also go to your H1 and then just look for your order blocks on there. Sometimes you will get them on your H1 time frame and other lower time frames. Right now, in this case, you can clearly see that we did our top-down analysis. Let me just clear this. Just clear that. Okay, we now did our top-down analysis of our setup, our bullish setup that we are looking forward to. Now, in this case, we can clearly say that we are expecting price to, based off our rules that we just followed. Based off these rules, we're expecting price to come from this side, from here. Okay, not you. Okay, from this side, from here, and again to the upside. So we're expecting price to come in hot like this. So, and at the end of the day, you have your setup that is ready, waiting for you for price to do its thing. Now, at the end of this, what you have to do is you only have to sit and wait. Sit, be patient, wait for the market to do its thing, and then after that, when price is in some of the in now this order blocks that you've picked, then you can now look for further confirmations. That will be another it will be another topic of another day. I'll do a video on that. But for now, just focus on how to trade smart money, order blocks, supply and demand, whatever you call it, trade like banks, whatever, name it, you give them your names, and but then it's still the same thing. These are just the basics. Now remember carefully, this video is just for educational purpose. And these are just the basics of you to trade these smart money concepts, order blocks, supply and demand, whatever it is. This is just the basics for you to use and then re-strategize them, refine them, backtest them before you put them on your live accounts. Backtest, practice, do everything in order for these concepts to be stuck in your mind, for you to know what you're really doing. Don't just look at it, watch this video, and then start applying this on your live account. It will damage your account. So what the best thing do is backtest first. Backtest. After then, if you see it working out for you, then congratulations, early congratulations from me to you on your journey of trading smart money concept. Girls and guys, thank you for watching this video. Hope to see you in the next one. Make sure you like, you subscribe, and you share the video. With that all said, guys and girls, Gilchat speaking, signing out.